Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm so excited. I will be finally showing you guys what I will be packing for Italy, as I am leaving tomorrow morning really early. Just as a disclaimer, I am not promoting travelling at this time. I'm not promoting any sort of holidays. I am taking my own risk and everything, but obviously at the minute we are allowed to travel, and at the minute the travel restrictions have been lifted, and going to Italy is not really a holiday, it's more going back home. I used to live in Italy, so I've got all my family there, my friends there, and I will be obviously be safe, we'll take all the precautions and everything. So obviously I'm leaving tomorrow morning really early, so I was just packing and I just thought, why not share this with YouTube, with everyone, since I really enjoy these type of videos and I like to see what people pack for holidays, and I don't know, the little odd and unusual things which people bring on holiday. And I would also be doing a little mini haul of kind of everything I kind of got in this summer as summer clothes, which I will bring to Italy, and kind of reveal all the new bits in my wardrobe. So yeah, so if you would like to see what I will be packing for Italy, please keep on watching. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching and supporting me. If you are new, welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get packing. Okay, so as a first thing, I always start my packing with a list. So you know, you can do a list anywhere, you can write it. I usually have it on my phone, and I just make a list of all the essentials and everything that I need for my holiday, or anything that I need obviously for myself away. And because every single time I usually go to Italy during the summer, I stay for a good month. Like, I go for a really long time. So I've got a huge suitcase, like it's huge, a huge luggage, let's say. And I do like to have a lot of options with clothes, so I do bring a lot of clothes, like it's ridiculous amount of clothes, but it's just because like I just never know. I'm like, what am I going to wear tonight, what's the vibe tonight, and I'm like, well, I like this top and I like the other top, and it kind of just gets ridiculous and a bit out of hand. I usually bring a huge luggage, a little suitcase, and just a big bag just to bring on the plane, just so I can put my laptop, my essentials, my passport and everything in it. Okay, so my luggage, as I don't know, everyone's luggage, I've got like different sections. Usually in this section I like to put all my tops and all my underwear, socks, anything that I can just squish and can just be squished, because obviously you can close it with this. Also, please, I'm so sorry, there's going to be a mess in this room, just because I've got everything that I like out, and I'm going to pick and actually visualise an outfit with it and just throw it in the luggage. So in terms of all the clothes that I'll be showing you guys, what I'll be packing, I thought I would just stick to everything I kind of got throughout the summer, like new clothes, because otherwise, if I show you every single item, this video would just last for eternity. So I'll just show you what I got from different shops and brands, and what I'll be bringing with me to Italy. As a first item, so I just picked up these jeans in light blue, which is nice for summertime colour, and they're like the, is it culotte? Kind of like cut, so they flare out. And I just thought that these were just going to be really nice jeans for summer, which is a nice top. So next is this really cool ruche top, which is kind of very not my style, but kind of is. And then when I saw it, I just loved kind of like the fit of the top. It is like very nicely fitted, like around here. But I just feel like this is such a summery and cool top to have over some jeans, over some shorts. If there's like a nice breeze, you just cover your shoulders. And yeah, so I've been loving all these like little tops that Zara's been doing. So I got this really cute another kind of like ruche top, which has kind of like pattern material, which is really, really nice, simple. You pair it with shorts, you pair it with a denim skirt, with jeans, anything really goes nice. Then I picked this really cute top, which is kind of drapey, if that makes sense. And I thought this is a little bit more sophisticated if it's like a Friday night, Saturday night, and I want to pair this with like nice trousers, nice jeans, with nice shoes, a little cute bag, and this is properly like a weekend top rather than like every day, and it has like a little zip at the back. This is adorable and it fits really, really nicely. Very similar to the other one, I got this sparkly top. I just thought like this would look amazing with like a nice tan and just like a nice lipstick, nice makeup, and oh, I can't wait to wear this. It is adorable. This is such a pretty dress. I don't really have dresses for summer, and I saw this and I was like, I need to get this, and this is beautiful. It's lovely fit. So yeah, I just can't wait to show it off. Last weekend I went to Bicester, obviously because, you know, I am a student and I need to go to Bicester. So I went to Levi's looking for like a skirt, shorts, picked up both. So I got this really cute denim skirt, which obviously you can't go wrong with a denim skirt in summertime. And then I also got these shorts, which are amazing. Honestly, it's like the best fit, and I love Levi's shorts, so I was really happy that I found everything my size. And then I went to Ralph Lauren, then in the sale section I found this really, really adorable cute cotton top, which I thought, obviously in Italy, at night time sometimes it does get really, really windy, so this is like the perfect material because it's just cotton. You can throw this over your shorts. I can literally just put like a little crop top and then just whack this on after, and it just looks nice. It's a nice colour, it's light, and it's just adorable. For swimwear, I got this really, really nice bikini from Poly, which is my first Poly bikini, and I was so excited. Like every single year I'm like, I'm gonna get Poly bikini, and then I never get it. The top is like this, and these are the bottoms. These are beautiful, honestly, these are beautiful. Then I also ordered from Shein, Shine, I don't know how to pronounce it, I pronounce it Shein, so yeah. And I just picked up like 2-3 tops. I mean, they were literally £3 each, so I was like, of course. So I went for the tie-dye look. So it's this nice vest top, which again looks nice with jeans, shorts, skirt. And then I also got this tie-dye blue top, which I am absolutely in love. It looks amazing paired with anything white, so I'll probably pair this with a white skirt or white shorts, white trousers, anything like that. And then I got myself just a very simple cropped but long sleeve top like that, because again it does get a bit breezy, so if there's like a day which is really, really windy, I just thought I'd go prepared and have something long sleeve but obviously light enough so that I'm not going to die of heat and sweat. For Christmas I got a gift voucher, which I literally forgot about, and then I was like, oh my god, I've got like a gift voucher. So I went the other week to London and I spent the gift voucher, of course, and I picked up this adorable white skirt. Oh my god, it's such a nice fit, it's beautiful. Then I am really, really obsessed with long dresses. So like long dresses, but as I am short, I do like when they have like a slit. So I wasn't finding that any shops had long like maxi dresses that fitted nicely, and this one here is amazing. So this is very, obviously it's just maxi and it's really long, but if you can tell, it has like kind of like a slit on both ends. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's like such a nice fit. And this paired with these are like these little cute sandals, which, you know, you can just wear, dress, everything. So these are so nice. Then as a last item which I got from Bershka is this cute top. Amazing, I love this. So next up is Primark, which is the last kind of shop which I shopped this summer, and obviously I went crazy. Every time you go to Primark you just go crazy. So I picked up 3 PJs for summer because I always sleep in shorts and a bra, or shorts and like just like a really like small tiny top, and I just said like I just want to feel comfortable. So I picked up like t-shirt dresses like PJs, so they're a bit creased, but how adorable. I've got the little Looney Tunes. Then I got a Toy Story one. Like imagine sleeping in this. I would literally just like literally melt in these tops. And as a last one I got this one because obviously, I mean, as everyone knows, I'm obsessed with cats and I had to get this one. And again, for kind of like nighttime, I got these really cute silky shorts. Yeah, these are so comfortable to wear and to sleep in. I also picked up some really simple shorts. I mean, they were like £2 for the seaside, so I just whack this on when I go to the beach. Got some in white and I got the matching blue ones. And then last I got these really nice trousers. Look how nice they are. The detail, they fit really nice, so I can't complain. And for accessories, I mean, I picked up so many necklaces, which I'm not going to show you now because I'm not sure where they are, but I got so many necklaces, like I just went crazy. I got earrings, I got sunglasses, and then I got this really nice belt, which I'm very like obsessed with like these kind of belts. And then as sandals and shoes, because I don't own any sandals and I just wear trainers all the time, I got these really cute sandals, like they're like sparkly and I just feel like they're just nice. And then I also got these ones here, which I was like, oh, they're cool, like under like skirts, dresses. I think they give a vibe. Put all my clothes in, so I've sectioned just the luggage with tops, socks, underwear, any like kind of soft squishy stuff that I can just close. And then on this other side I just put skirts, trousers, and on this side where I put the skirts and trousers I will be putting all my beauty cases with my creams, my makeup. So I actually got this nice beauty case from Primark and I used this for my makeup. It's amazing. It's like in 3 sections, so I have all my main makeup here, I've got all my brushes here, and I've got all my lipsticks and mascara and everything on this side, and literally the best thing I bought. And I also got this case from Primark like this, and I've got all my creams, my perfumes, just anything that's like bottle that I just obviously need and stuff. So then I also pack my curlers, my straighteners, everything in here, which is out the way, just the big stuff, like the stuff that obviously weighs the most. So I brought a few bags. I usually always have little small bags, like 90 like shoulder bags, or like just small bags that is just easy to carry around. Like I don't like huge bags, like especially summertime. So I packed my fave purse bag. Then I also have this I got this last year from Primark, which again is very simple, really nice. Then as new bags I picked up from Shein, this cute 90s bag, and even though this is small, honestly it fits all my purse, my phone, everything there. So I was like, yes. And then I basically got the same one, but I got this from Zara, and look how nice this is. This is like definitely my favourite. It's like feels so nice. So yeah, so I've got these like cute little shoulder bags for my outfits, and I kind of used my smaller suitcase, which is about this size, to pack all of my shoes, all the rest of accessories like belts and everything, so I just have that separate. For shoes, I'll bring these, which just obviously look nice with denim skirts, jeans, anything, which are nice. And I'll pack my Jordans, and then my Air Forces, of course. You always need a pair of Air Forces. And now I've packed all my shoes, I'm going to pack some belts. My flip-flops, I got these from Primark, they were literally 90p, so bargain. And my sandals, which obviously you guys saw. And then I just got a pair of sliders, which I got last year and I just never actually wore. Which I like to wear at the beach, something like quite comfortable. And then for accessories, I like to have a hat at the beach. I'm gonna bring this hat here, and at the back it has this little flamey. One of the most exciting parts for me is getting sunglasses for summer, so I have so many pairs, pretty ridiculous. So I have my Ray-Bans, which I love and my grandma gave to me as a present. But I don't like to wear them at the actual beach because I'm scared like they're gonna break or I'm gonna lose them. So I usually just go to Primark or Pretty Little Thing and I just get really cheap sunglasses that I can just wear at the beach, so that I don't have to worry about breaking them or anything. And then as a final bag to pack, finally, you're like, how many bags did you pack in? I've got this just big bag, which I got from Primark last year, which I find is amazing because it's really big and you can just bring this on the plane with you and it fits everything. And here I will obviously put my laptop, so I've got my laptop case. And I have packed two little bags. So in this one here, I've just put some paracetamol. I've put all my hand sanitizer, my mask, everything that I need to be prepared. So, and then I've got some bubbles, just anything that I also need, pens, whatever. And then in this other one, I have just like sanitary products, and then I've just got tissues, hand sanitizer again, deodorant, again, the usual. Obviously, I've got my purse, my AirPods, then I also have obviously my passport in here, and this is really handy. I'm going to put all like my chargers and everything just so that I've got everything handy and just that is there.
2 hours later.
So all of my packing is done, it's completed, finally. It literally felt like I was doing this for hours, and I probably was, but you know, you have to be selective, you have to be smart on what to bring. So yeah, so you probably think I packed a lot of things. You probably think, how many bags does she pack? She's only going for a month. Like, I'm not going for a year, but I am like this. I've always overpacked.
Well, funny story, when I got to the airport and I was handing in my luggages, they told me that my luggage was overweight by 2 kilos, and yeah, but they were like, oh, it's alright, I'm just gonna let it slide. But I need to sort myself out. I packed way too much.
So yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed watching my packing video and kind of like what I bring usually on my holidays, and kind of what I do, how I plan it, all the different departments in my luggages, in my suitcases. And that was useful to know for your next future trips, which hopefully we'll be able to go on very soon. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment on what you usually bring on your holiday, or your go-to item that you always bring in your bag. And lastly, please don't forget to press the little bell so that you get notified when my next videos will come up, which will be very exciting. It will be all about my holiday trips, so you don't miss any of my Italy vlogs, which will be very exciting. I wish you all a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.